Hello, I'm Mrs. Didlick, and welcome to today's Phase 3 Phonics. We're going to start with our flashcards. Now, I've mixed all the cards up so they're not in any order, and the first one's quite tricky. Should we have a go together? Your, oi, I, sh, ch, or, ear, y, w, z, z, x, j, qu, v, your. Oh, is it your? Air, E, A, ow, O, ng, uh-oh. Did you get all those? Would you like to have a go on your own now? See if you can say them before I do. Are you ready? Your, oi, I, sh, ch, or, ear, y, w, z, z, x, j, qu, v, air, E, A, ow, O, ng, uh-oh. Did you get some of those right? Keep trying, keep practicing. It will mean you'll get better and better. Now today we're going to look at 3 graphemes. That's what we look at. That's the written bit, the 3 graphemes. Have I got them? Oh, I've got back-to-back ones here. I'm going to start with this one. Do you remember what sound it makes? The grapheme is what it's written like. The phoneme is the sound. It's ks. I'm going to just pin that on there for me just for a minute. Oh, I'm going to write that down. Here I've got a writing line. And then you can see where it sits on the writing line. Are you ready? Oh, it sits right on the writing line. I wonder if I can think of some words. Some words that's got the x. I've got one. I'm going to write it down. Have you read it yet? Shall I put some sound buttons in to help you? Have you spotted? Let's read the word together. Ready? Ox, fox. We sound it out using our robot arms and then blend it together to say the word. Ox, fox. That word said fox. There aren't many words with x in, and you usually find it at the end of a word. But sometimes it's a bit sneaky, and it can be in other places in a word. Fox. Let's have a look at another sound. Let's look at this sound. That is the letter Z. My name is Z, and I sound like Z. Z. I am going to write that on a line so you can see where it sits. Z. I hope you're practicing this at home too. Z. Oh, let me see if I can think of a word. Z. Z. I've got one. Have you read it yet? Shall I put some sound buttons in to help you? Let's use our robot arms. Are you ready? Z, ip, zip. Shoot it again. Z, ip, zip. Zip. I've got a zip on my trousers, and I've got a zip on my coat, and I've got a zip on my pencil case. Zip. I've got another line here. I wonder which sound I'm going to do next. Oh, this is a bit trickier because this is a digraph. A digraph are two letters that make one sound. Two letters that make one sound. And we're cheating a bit today because today's digraph has the same sound as Z. Zzz. Oh, zzz. That one is zzz. That one is zzz. Oh, let's see if I can think of a word. That's got that zzz sound in. Oh, shall I write it on my writing line first? Okay. Oh, missing the line a little bit. I bet you could do better. Now let me think of a word. Have you read it yet? Shall I put the sound buttons in? Oh, I'm not going to do two dots here, am I? Because it's a digraph. Two letters that make one sound. So I'm going to show you that it's a digraph. One sound. Sound it out with me. F, I, z. Let's use our robot arms. F, I, z. Digraph. Two letters with one sound. Do it again. F, I, z. Fizz. My drink last night had fizz in it. Fizz. Well done. Now I've got some word cards. I want you to see if you can spot, read the words, spot the graphemes in the word and then read it. Are you ready? Sound it out first. S, I, x, 6. Ready? B, ox, box. X, it. Oh, I've got a X in the middle there. X, it. Exit. Oh, I'm going to exit in a minute. Oh, hang on. I've got a funny alien on this card. This is a very funny alien word. It's an alien's name. Are you ready? We can still sound it out. T. ox, tox. Well done. What did all those words have in them? You're right, they had the x sound. Well done. Are you ready for another set? Not so many this time. Are you ready for the first one? Z. Oh, I can spot a digraph there. Let me put my digraph sign in. Are you ready? Does that make it easier? Z, oo. Z, oo. Zoo. Ooh. Z, e, b, r, a. That's a long one. Z, e, b, r, a. Zebra. Zebra. Do you know what that word is? Zebra. Oh, we've got another alien name, alien word. You can still sound it out. Are you ready? Z, o, g. Z, o, g. Zog. Well done. Last set. Do you know which sound we're going to be looking at now? Here we go. Ready? Sound it out. Oh, it's a digraph. Shall I do the digraph line? Where am I going to put it? Are you ready for these ones? F, z, f, z, fuzz. B, z, buzz. I've got my alien card ready. M, I, z. M, I, z. Miz. I wonder if you've spotted something with these cards. With the Z and the digraph ZZ, have a look at the digraph in here. Where does it come in the word? I'm going to put those down there, look, so you can see them. Where does the digraph come? You're right, it's always at the end. Where are my other cards? With the Z. The Z there is at the beginning of the word. That will help you when you're reading or when you're writing. If you've got the Z sound at the beginning of the word, it's most probably going to be Z on its own. If the sound is at the end of the word, buzz, fizz, it's most probably going to be the digraph. Okay, shall we try something? I'm going to get rid of all of my writing. And I'm going to write a sentence for you. See if you can write it. There's my sentence. Now, when I'm written a sentence, I have to have the sentence rule. I have to start it with a capital letter. I have to have my writing on the line. I have to have finger spaces between every word, otherwise you can't read it, and it has to end with a full stop. See if you can read it now. Tricky word. The ox, ox, fox, got, got, in, a, ox, ox, box. The fox got in A box. Well done. I wonder if you can write a sentence using one of today's sounds. You might be able to write a sentence that's got more than one of those sounds in. I've got a game for you now. This game you can make at home. Very easy. All you need is a piece of paper. And you have to think of a word with one of today's sounds in. Shall I write the sounds up? It was X or Z. It was X or Z or the digraph Z. Okay, and you can write that word down. I'm just going to use one of my cards. Okay, now your mum or dad might know this as hangman. Okay, but we're going to play it slightly different. We're going to call it bug with legs. Okay, and you have to, oh, hang on. How many letters are in my word? I'm going to count them. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. It's got 3 letters. Now, somebody is... Oh, you go on then. Oh, go on then. Tell me a sound. No, it isn't in my word. So I'm going to do a bug. There we go. Tell me another sound. T. Oh, T. No, T isn't in my sound. In my word. There he is. My bug's got a head. Tell me another sound. Oh, yes. Oh is in my word. I'm going to put it there. Can you guess what the word is yet? No. Go on then. Another guess. No. M. No. Can you give him an arm? Another one. Oh, B. Yes, I've got a B in my word. I'm going to write it there. Have you guessed the word yet? Go on then, you can have another guess of another letter. What do you think it might end in? No, it's not an they've forgotten that the word has to have one of these in. Which one of those do you think will make the word up? See if you can play the game at home. Bye.